fractured bone and allow it to heal naturally and heal in its own timing, in its own time. Kaya may that time. Di rin napipirit itong healing. Ha? Di rin napipirit. So, the same way that we allow a fractured bone to heal given a certain period of time is also what we should be doing to our own mental health issues and struggles. So, tagitahin panahon, tagitahin kindness, extend compassion to self all the time. So, isusunod ko nga point, number 2, is self-love, ultimately. Kay, bumati kita kanin sharing, you cannot pour from an empty cup. So, it has to really start from within. It really has to start. How I wish there is a different path, but there's none. So, it really has to start within the self. Because, if you love yourself too much, ito nga niya, to the best possible way nga, klasehin panghigugma, you will not really, allow me to use the word, you will not give a shit about it, natatabuha paligid natin, because not in a negative way, ha? Not in a negative way, because meaning you are immovable. Ito nga nga, diri ka basta-basta matatandog, because you are so certain, you have embraced the real you. You know, authenticity is very important ito in mental health. You have embraced all your imperfection and flaws. Kaya waray man talaga haton perfect. Siring ko ba, kanina on my way here, preparing, tapos nakada ko nag-inistambayan ako dito parking. And then, I was thinking, kung igagamit to apply all the preaching this morning, nasingod ako usahit one of many examples. You know, that if magpadarang nga ni ako itong society's expectation, you know, I wouldn't be here in front of you. Because people know me to be very quiet, na unlock na permina, you know, because I have my own insecurities, my height alone, you know, I'm very insecure about it. And to stand here, to be watched by many people, and this is already like probably my 45th event for the past years that I've been serving here in Region 8. So, iba-iba itong mga tao, you know, that you get to meet. Pero, it's the message that I focus on, not the messenger. So, siring pa, lasing nga ni, walk the talk. Tapos may naman pa ko, you know, given the background with Yolanda, So I had my own mental health issues before. So nasi ako, that's the reason why I'm doing this profession. I'm standing in front of different people, even if I have my doubts as well. Kaya man ito nawawara nga itong mga doubts. Because I want to show up to the world and share that regardless of the imperfections, kaya we will always find something that is lacking in us. Believe me. Diriton, because we are made to grow. So if you are designed for growing, parang may kamay bibilon. So, but then again, where are we right now? Who are we right here, right now? Focus on that because we are really enough. We are enough. Hindi sakto dito ba nga nga waray mga tiil ng kamot, they are able to show up to the world, di ba? How much more kita nga kompleto? So that is the second point. So that's self-love, self-compassion, self-kindness. Now to really define that is a different journey by itself. To really find the meaning of self-love, even myself, it's really just recently nag-define ko ito niya. And to me, the definition to me talaga is to be very kind and compassionate with my self-talk, like how I talk to myself. So, pero may ko itong insasalo. So, that's how I show love. But to all of you, pwede iba't iyo version. So, that's the other one. The final, I'll just give you 3. Ito final talaga is action. Action. Because only action will change things. Only action will bring you the results. The natanan, waray ito mahimo. So, why did we cover some strategies on how to reset, how to relax, how to calm your nervous system? We covered those because ang aton ginabaroan niya na itong brain, it's an internal system. iyak ka talaga naturally by design of the body, it will activate you so that you are ready for action. Pero kung diri pahiya sakto, kay ito nga nga, you feel so anxious, you're so restless. Hyper ka ba? Hyper. Kung hyper ka, duro, aligaga, natatarantar ka, diri ka man ito makaka-focus. So that's why we need to also reset and relax. So, all the time, nasa rin, meditation, ganyan. Yes, these are important. The breathing exercises, the meditation, the self-care, even the self-indulgences are important. But, after the relaxation, go back to what you are supposed to do and do it. Because if you don't, bisan pa, siring ko pa, no amount of meditation can solve your concern. Only action will bring you the results that you want, both personally and professionally. And with that, I say thank you so much for having me here today. Thank you, Kanda Attorney. Thank you so much. It's always a joy to me to be able to share to your office, to your organization. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.